Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to spatchcock a chicken, and we want to thank Romain who is shooting the video. Bonjour Romain.
Salute!
So this is a free-range chicken, but before I start, there's a myth that you should wash chicken first, and that is not true. When you wash chicken, you actually are putting anything that's icky on the chicken into your sink, and unless you clean the sink very well afterwards, you don't want to wash the chicken first. Anything that you're worried about on the chicken is going to go away in the oven with the heat of the oven. So that is the first thing to know. The second is this is a poulet fermier, and you can see it has a label rouge or red label, which in French means that this chicken was free range, was raised in liberté on dit, in liberty, and also it's a heritage breed of chicken. They don't exactly specify the breed, but it means that the chicken was raised better than the battery chickens. So they come like this in the grocery store or at the butcher shop.